My amazing parents. Parents are like superheroes in our lives. They may not wear capes, but they possess the power to make everything better. I am fortunate to have the most incredible parents who fill my world with love, guidance, and laughter. In this essay, I will share why my parents are so special to me. My parents shower me with unconditional love every day. No matter what mistakes I make or challenges I face, their love remains constant. It's a comforting feeling to know that I am accepted and cherished just the way I am. Their love gives me the strength to tackle life's ups and downs. One of the best things about my parents is their unwavering support. Whether it's helping with homework, cheering at my soccer games, or offering advice when I'm confused, they are always there for me. Their guidance helps me navigate through the complexities of life, making me feel secure and confident. My parents work tirelessly to provide for our family. Their dedication and sacrifice inspire me to give my best in everything I do. They teach me the importance of hard work, perseverance, and the value of setting goals. Their example motivates me to pursue my dreams with determination. Laughter is a big part of our household. My parents have an amazing sense of humor that can turn even the gloomiest day into a bright one. They teach me not to take life too seriously and find joy in the little things. Our home is filled with laughter, creating a warm and happy atmosphere. My parents are like life coaches, imparting valuable lessons that go beyond the classroom. They teach me about responsibility, kindness, and the importance of treating others with respect. Through their actions, they instill in me the qualities that will help me become a responsible and compassionate individual. My parents are my pillars of strength, my source of inspiration, and my greatest supporters. Their love, guidance, hard work, sense of humor, and the life lessons they impart make them truly amazing. I am grateful for every moment I spend with them and for the values they instill in me. As I grow, I hope to carry forward the lessons they've taught me and make them proud. My parents are not just family, they are my heroes, and I am blessed to call them mine.